check this out. I got an RC. Now this was sent to me, but not for review. It was actually a gift. So this confused the living crap out of me, because normally if an RC company is going to send me something, they ask me, hey, would I like to do a review? They're going to send it to me. I get tracking info and I know when it's going to show up. This thing just showed up and I was racking my mind. And I'll tell you the story after we roll that intro. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so this was a complete surprise. So what happened is I ordered the MJX, the rally car, which you recently saw. This was a free gift. It was something with, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And that's right, this thing blew my mind. I couldn't figure out where this thing came from. And I was doing some research to figure out where this, who sold this, and it was Makerfire. And I found out what they did was, it was a Father's Day giveaway. If you ordered a car during that time, they entered, or they randomly sent out a free gift. And this was the gift for me ordering the MJX rally car. So I don't even know which car is inside. I don't really know much about it. Like I said, it wasn't sent to me for review, but I'm like, hey, it's an RC car. So let's do a review here. So look, it says light mode, damping effect, rubber tires, CV constant velocity transmission, remote control, turn on the lights, adjustable inclination, 9-gram servo. So it says remove the screws, pull out body, 4-wheel independence. This actually reminds me a lot of the Canton, but it looks a little bit different. Circle drift. So I hope it's not a Miata. I definitely hope it's not nothing with the tongue sticking out. Now the NSX looks pretty cool, or even this one, I forget. I don't know. I hope it's an NSX. That would be. Oh, this one's cool with the pop-up lights. The Celica, yeah. Is that the Celica? Not much info here. So. Oh, it's blue. Maybe they watch my channel. No, blue is my thing. Maybe. Maybe not. Probably not. Let's check it out. We got a transmitter here. One transmitter. This is really different. So nice foam grip. Thumb control. It actually doesn't feel too bad. But this is really different here. Short press to switch between high and low throttle. That's A. B. Short press to switch between large and small steering. And C. Press the switch to flip the light. And then we have a left, right, so that must be the trim, and this is probably the steering dual rate. And one of these stupid screws on there. It does say, oh, 2 AA batteries. So what is probably the most basic ever, I won't even say instructions, just maintenance, precautions. It does give you some instructions on the remote here, and then in Chinese or whatever. Some assembly required. We got mirrors, windshield wipers, and oh, probably door handles maybe is what that is. Chrome inserts for the mirrors. Looks like maybe some turn signal pieces and something else we'll figure out. Thick USB charger. One tongue, which is not going to go on. Phillips. One Miata drift car. I didn't want the Miata, but hey, they gave it to me in blue, so I can't complain too much, I don't think. So not much here. I mean, it feels pretty solid. Don't imagine, it doesn't feel like these lights here come up, but it does. Maybe they do, because there's a definite ridge here. Wow, look at the steering on that. Look at, jeez. That's almost completely sideways. So I guess we have to turn on. Where's the battery at? Here we go. This is a complete pain. There's not enough wire here to get this thing to come out. The harness for the car is kind of stuck. Makes it really hard to plug in. Oh, all right, we got it there. Oh, look at that, lights come up. That's freaking cool. So there is a, seems to be an overly sensitive gyro, but there is a gyro. Maybe that's, oh, let me put the batteries Let me try to get some batteries in this thing. This is the gyro control, so you can see right there it's overly sensitive. If I turn that down. Now what button was it to flip the light? Oh, that's freaking cool. So we do it, look, brake lights. Oh, we even got reverse lights. We have turn signal. Oh, we do. We do have turn signals. But I don't see anything here in the front. That's freaking. Alright guys, let me charge up the battery and we'll take this out to the garage because it's a nice smooth surface and we'll have some fun with this. I love that. That's freaking awesome. Alright, I'll see you in the garage. I love that, man. That is so cool. Alright, I might not have touched on, we have 3 buttons here. So C is your headlights, B is the steering, A is your throttle. So I'm just going to throttle this up here so you can hear like the difference right there. All right, now check out the steering. So we go full on drift mode. Oh, wrong one. And see, there's the regular steering. So drift mode steering. So it's quite a difference right there. So pretty cool features. Now, I will say too, I did try to put these things on. I'm not quite sure where this is. The windshield wipers really didn't go on. The light, I got half a mirror here or something. The rest of it fell off. So those, not really a fan of. Oh, look at that. I lost the backup light too, I guess. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. It just, that one looks white. That's dark for some reason. Okay, so that's full throttle. I don't even begin to think you need that. All right, let's calm it down. All right, let's do the steering. And this thing has a gyro too. You can see it like trying to make adjustments. It's just, it's way. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, we can adjust it. I don't know what you need a gyro for on a drift car, but oh no! blew the tire off. Oh wow, that's hilarious. Yeah, I wish there was like maybe a rubber tire or something that came with this thing, so you could maybe use it for something a little bit more than drifting. Well, I guess I'll have to glue that back on. I love that thing. Oh man, I can't believe something this small has like pop-up lights like that. Well, there you go, everyone. Pretty cool RC. I said, it was given to me. Nobody asked me to do a review. This was just a gift for buying the MJX 7303 from Makerfire. It was like a Father's Day thing. Certain people that made an order got like, I guess, thrown into a raffle or whatever, selected for a free car. But it's an RC. I like it. I just wanted to share it with you. It's not the best thing. Like I said, the attachments on the outside, not a fan of that. I do love the pop-up lights. I do wish it, maybe had like a second set of tires, something more rubbers, like I said, so that way you can use it as like a regular driving car and not just drifting. But other than that, pretty cool, it's for the price. I think these are like $60, something like that. So, I'm not gonna go too crazy picking over stuff at that price point, but pretty cool, man. I like it. All right, everyone, it's actually Independence Day. That's why the flag is up as the day I'm recording this. I'm not sure when it'll go live. Probably be a week or so from now. But today it is Independence Day. I fly my flag. I love my country. And, that's why the flag is up. But, all right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching. There's links down below, discount codes for you. There's also other ways of helping the channel if you so desire. Also, if you want to buy one, I'll have a link down there for Makerfire. It's affiliate link. Helps me buy other RC cars to bring you this type of content. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.